Okay, dear student, today I will take the class of the empirical formula to determine the value of Chassis constant. In the last numericals, already they mentioned Chassis constant, right? In numericals, they already mentioned the Chassis constant. But here, we have to find out the Chassis constant by using the empirical formula. There are different empirical formula is going to use to find out the value of Chassis constant. The Chassis constant C can be calculated by these three formula, namely the Bayesian formula, Gangulate Cutter formula, and third one is Manning's formula. Okay, the first one is Bayesian formula. Okay, the second one is Gangulate Cutter formula, and third one is the Manning's formula. These are the three empirical formula we are going to use to find out the Chassis constant. Okay, for the first one, the Bayesian formula. Okay, this formula is developed in MKS units. Okay, you know MKS units, right? MKS units. This formula is developed in MKS units. The Bayesian formula is given by the value, the C is equal to 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K by root M. Okay, this is the Bayesian formula. Bayesian formula is 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K by root M. Okay, here the K is the Bayesian constant. Okay, sometimes they will give the value of the Bayesian constant in numericals. Okay, value of the Bayesian constant. By using this Bayesian constant, you have to find out the Chassis constant by applying to this formula. Okay, the M is the hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius. You already studied. So here the Bayesian constant is depend on the roughness of the surface of the channel. The roughness of the, see here, this is the channel, the roughness of the surface. Okay, lining. Okay, here it will be the lining. So depends upon the material, the roughness is going to change. Okay, so here the Bayesian constant is depends upon the roughness of the surface of the channel. Okay, so the second one is Gangulate Cutter formula. The second formula to find out the Chassis constant is the Gangulate Cutter formula. The formula is developed in MKS unit. This also developed in a MKS units. The formula is little bit lengthy formula. C is equal to 23 plus 0.00155 divided by I plus 1 by N divided by 1 plus 23 0.00155 divided by I N divided by root M. Okay, is the Gangulate Cutter formula. C is equal to 23 plus 0.00155 divided by I plus 1 by N divided by 1 plus 23 plus 0.00155 divided by I into N by root M. This is the Cutter formula. Generally we can write it as a Cutter formula. Okay, here the N is the roughness coefficient. Here the N is roughness. Here N is the roughness coefficient, which is known as a Cutter constant. Okay, N is the roughness coefficient, which is known as a Cutter constant. This also depends upon the material of the lining. Okay, types of the lining. So I is the slope of the bed. Okay, I is the slope of the bed, and M, this M is the hydraulic mean depth. Already you know, right? M is the hydraulic mean depth. So if some numericals, they will give the roughness coefficient. Okay, roughness coefficient is a or Cutter constant. They will give the Cutter constant N. Okay, by using this N, you can find out the value of Chassis constant. Okay, the third one is the Manning's formula. Okay, the Manning's formula is given by C is equal to 1 by N M power 1 by 6. Okay, here also N is a Manning's constant. Okay, here the N is the Manning's constant. Here the N is the, in Cutter formula, the N is the Cutter constant. Okay, in Manning's, the N is the Manning's constant. Okay, here also they will give the N, the value of N, and by using this value, Manning's constant, you can find out the value of the Chassis constant. Okay, the one thing is, for the normal range of the slope and hydraulic mean depth, for the normal range of the slope and hydraulic mean depth, the value of the Manning's constant and Cutter formula remains the same. The value of the Manning's constant here, the Manning's constant and Cutter's constant N is same. Okay. Okay, next go for the numericals from this empirical formula. Okay. The first one, find the discharge through the rectangular channel 2.5 meter wide and having a depth of water 1.5 meter and bed slope as 1 in 2000. Take the value of K. Okay, K is equal to 2.36 in Bayesian's formula. Means itself it shows they gave Bayesian's constant. They gave the Bayesian's constant k is equal to 2.36. Okay, so by using this Bayesian's constant you can find out the Chassis constant. Okay, the last few numericals they already mentioned the Chassis constant directly, but here they gave the Bayesian's constant, Bayesian's formula. By using the Bayesian's formula you can find out the Chassis constant. Okay, so here find the discharge through the rectangular channel 2.5 meter wide, having a depth of water 1.5 meter and bed slope as 1 in 2000. The given data B is equal to the width of the rectangular channel wide is equal to B is equal to 2.5 meter. The width of the channel is 2.5 meter, and depth of the channel D is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, depth of the channel 1.5 meter, depth of the channel D is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, B is equal to 2.5 meter and depth of the channel is equal to 1.5 meter. Bed slope as 1 in 2000. Bed slope as 1 in 2000. Take the value of K, Bayesian's formula. Okay, Bayesian's constant. K is equal to 2.36. Okay, Bayesian's constant K is equal to 2.36. Okay, these are the given data. Next, will they give slope? Okay, slope is I is equal to 1 in 2000. The slope of the channel 1 in 2000, or you can write 1 by 2000. Okay, so solution. Next, go for the solution. You have to find out the discharge. Okay, we know that the formula is the same formula, Q is equal to AC into root mi. AC into root mi. Area of the flow is equal to A is equal to B into D is equal to 2.5 into 1.5 is equal to 3.75 meter, 3.75 meter square. Okay, next area you got. Chassis constant C you have to find out. Chassis constant by using the Bayesian's formula. Chassis constant by using Bayesian's formula. What is the Bayesian formula? You already studied. It will C is equal to 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K by root m. Sometimes in question they will give the formula. Okay, but you should study this formula because sometimes they won't mention the formula, just they give like same question. Okay, they will just give the K is equal to 2.36 or somewhat in Bayesian formula, so apply the formula. So you have to study, you have to remember this formula. Okay, C is equal to 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K by root m. Substitute in equation. 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K, what is the Bayesian's constant? 2.36 divided by root m. Root m is equal to 0.682. It will become 33.76. Okay, so substitute in equation. Sorry, here m also you have to find out. M is equal to A by P. Okay, area you know. Next you have to find out the vectored perimeter. The vectored perimeter, this is the vectored perimeter, you know, is the width plus B plus 2D is equal to width is 2.5 meter plus depth twice the depth 2 into 1.5 meter is the same concept in every form problems. Okay, is equal to, what is the vectored perimeter? Vectored perimeter is equal to 5.5 meter. You got the vectored perimeter is 5.5 meter. So substitute in equation. Q is equal to AC into root mi. Substitute in equation. AC, area is equal to 3.75 into C. Here Chassis constant you got 33.76 into root mi. M is how much? M you have to find out, right? Still you didn't find out. Area by P. Area is equal to, what is the area? 3.75 divided by 5.5 vectored perimeter. What is the value you got? Okay, just check it. Okay, 0.682. Okay, over 0.682 into I is 1 by 2000. Okay, just find out the values. So you got the discharge is equal to 2.337 meter cube per second. Okay, I think clear this problem. Okay, next numericals I will continue in a next video class. Okay, thank you.